Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have the CatLadyBox. I love the CatLadyBox. Hoping my kitties join me. They are over there, you know, wanting to argue with each other at the moment, but we're gonna keep our fingers crossed and hope they come up to see us. Now, if you don't know what the CatLadyBox is, it is a box that is curated for us ladies who love kitty cats. Bonnie! You see what I mean? My heart jumped up through my throat when she did that. Bonnie goes to whop at her and Callie has a conniption. Anyway, so the CatLadyBox. Don't you start no more stuff. Bonnie came back in after I ran her out of the bedroom. I had to put on my serious mama face. Anyway, so there are two different options for the CatLadyBox. There's one that's curated just for the cat ladies, and then there's another one that has treats for the kitties in there as well. So if you want the Crazy Cat Lady box, which is what I get, that has the treats for the kitties in there as well, it is $39.99 a month. You get 2 to 3 items for you that are cat related items. It could be anything from kitchen items to decorative items. There's normally like a t-shirt in there, you know, all kinds of fun stuff. We got jewelry before. And then plus you get 2 goodies for your kitties in the Crazy Cat Lady box. Now if you want to save a little money and just get the basic Cat Lady box, that still has those 3 to 4 items in there that are cat related, curated, but it does not have those 2 cat items in it. I don't think I have any kind of referrals, any kind of affiliates, anything with this box. I'll just put the website down below so you can go to it. I just promote this box because I love it. But if they ever did want an affiliate or referral or anything like that with me, I would absolutely love it, CatLadyBox. Y'all know I love you. Anyway, let's open the box because I can't wait anymore, y'all. I've had to sit on this one for a week because I was out of town and I knew it was here, but I didn't get to open it until now. I'm so excited. I look forward to this box so much because it just is like a box of happy for anybody who loves kitty cats. Just a box of happy. So let's look at the box of happy. This company also does some amazing things, by the way. They pick an artist each month. They promote that artist by using their artwork. They tell you about them, how to find them. And each month they also do donate part of their proceeds to different rescues and things like that. And then they will tell you in the next month's box which ones they donated to last month. I love boxes that give back. It's just amazing. So let's look. Oh, I love the artwork. Is that not just adorable? Oh my good gracious. Callie, come over here and sit with Mama so you won't get got by Bonnie anymore. Come on. And then on the back is where it gives you all of your information. This month's artist is Lily from AllCuteStudio. Lily is a cat mom of 4 kitties. She draws inspiration from her cat's quirky and relaxed daily life. She hopes that cute things will bring people closer together and happier. You can find more of her work at http. It says, I will put that down below. It's on Etsy. But that link I will put down below. Now, the foundations, the rescues, things like that they gave to last month were Weatherford Whiskers, FC3 Firelands Community Cat Coalition, Amsterdam Kitten Adoption, Grand Strand Humanity Society, and Kitty Revolution. So that's who was helped because we bought last month's box. And they'll pick a whole new set of rescues, places like that, adoptions for next month, for this month. So this is the September box 2022. This is Cat Lady Every Day. And what is this? Bonus extra item, our surprise gift to you. We threw in a special subscriber favorite item from one of our past boxes for free. We hope you love it. Oh, well, that's cool. I love a free gift. So let's look at the Cat Lady box. Ooh, I love it. This box. Callie, do you want one of the toys first? We normally save those for last, but they're right here on top. Make them go wild. This is the Purrfume Catnip Toy. Our handmade perfume bottle toy is loaded with lots of your cat's favorite scent, catnip. It is a value of $4.99. And take the tag off. Look, it looks like a perfume bottle. Squish, squish. Yeah, it's got catnip in it. She's like, you want the other one, don't you? This one is adorable too. Look at that. Oh my gracious, it's so cute. This is the summer surprise toy. Get one last bit of hot summer fun in your kitties. Get one last bit of hot summer fun in for your kitties with one of our various assorted summer toys. Value $4.99. This is Loopsy's Catnip Stuffed Stem, grown in the U.S., and the crinkling sound that cats love. Flower power. Let me see if I can do this. I may need my scissors. Did you see where I put them? Yeah? Alright. Get this off. Because we gotta make sure the kitties are safe above all. Look. She's like, I'm not interested right now, Mom. And now she gonna do it. She's laying down on top of the perfume one. She's about to chew on it. Okay. So, let's keep going. Oh, I saw a sneak peek of this, and I got so tickled. Oh. It's a cat ear shoulder bag. Is this not just adorable? Oh my gracious. Y'all, it's like, it feels like that leather. It's got little cat ears on it. Little zipper. Cat ear shoulder bag. So this is the strap. It's just a canvas kind of strap to it. There is a little pocket in there. It doesn't zip or anything. This is too cute. This is just too cute. But I don't know if I'd carry it, but it may be a good gift for my niece, you know. It's really cute though. And you could put, actually what I think would be cute is, you know, those chain straps you can get for your purse. I think that would be really cute with that. For when you want to add just the right amount of cat lady to your everyday style. It is vegan friendly, of course, valued at $24.99. Super cute. I don't know, I may get a chain. I have to have a big bag. I do. Car coaster. Place inside your car's cup holder to catch spills and drips. Okay. Yeah, because we have a bunch of them. Matter of fact, we had to bring the little car coasters in the other day and wash them. But look how cute it is. Kind of wish I had two. One for each cup holder. This is Stoneware Cat Car Coaster. This absorbent stoneware coaster fits in your car's cup holder to absorb drips and looks cute doing it. Valued at $8.99. I may have to get another one. Look, it's got purple on it. Of course I'm gonna love it. Very nice. Alright, so this I have. This is my surprise from a previous box. This was the picnic blanket. Or it's you know, you lay it out for your picnic and it folds up. I love it. I've used it. It's very cute. Since I have one, this one I know we're gonna go for a giveaway, but so nice. So nice. This will be a perfect summer giveaway. I'm gonna hang on to it for next summer giveaway. We'll see. Alright. We're purring with excitement The next box is our annual Black Cat box. Their Black Cat box was the first Cat Lady box I got. So this means I'm coming up on a year of CatLadyBox. Okay. Black Cat box. Oh, they're so cute. Our annual Black Cat box is one of our most popular boxes every year, and it is our next box. We can't wait to send this one to you. I can't wait to get it. Love it. All right, so here's the shirt. It's long sleeve. Yay, it's long sleeve. Cat Lady Couture. This is perfect. Perfect. Hey, she's trying to eat my shirt. It must have catnip smell on it. It is in an extra large. I'll try it on for you in a minute, but this is super cute. I love that it's long sleeve. Hey, if you want to play with something, how about your flower? Ooh, she's got it now. So, Cat Lady Couture long sleeve. Cat hair, but make it fashion. Everyone knows cat hair is the ultimate accessory. Well, I must be styling then. This is valued at $22.99. So here's my Cat Couture shirt. The sleeves are pretty long, but I could roll those up or just pull them up like I tend to do anyway. So many different ways to tie and tuck. I'm not even going to go through them all, but I just wanted to show you how it fit. So yeah, what do you think of the Cat Lady box? I love it. I absolutely love it. My cats love their toys. It's pretty much all they play with now. I mean, except for the little balls that are around the house, because they love chasing the little bitty balls around the house, which is fun for when I have little dogs come and I have to make sure, you know, all my little balls are up so that the dogs don't get over to the little balls. But you got the shirt, the cute little cat toys, made in the USA, with homegrown, made in the USA catnip, the kitty coaster, the adorable purse, and I got the free gift of the blanket. This thing is heavy duty, y'all. I think it's great. I tell you what, I will link a card up above to the one where I open this up so you can actually see what it looks like. Just go to that card, go to, let me think about that. I think it comes up here. Click on that card up there once you finish watching this video, and it'll take you and I'll show you that box. She's got her, she's stuck in it good. There we go. I need to cut her nails. Y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is absolutely free and I really appreciate it. Please tell your friends about the channel and my crazy kitty antics. I'd love it if you would give this video a thumbs up and press that notification bell. And if you want to tip your creator, there are two ways to do that now. You can press the super thanks, which will let you tip me through YouTube, or you can buy me a cup of coffee. There is a link below in the description box if you'd like to do that. Thank you so very much, y'all. I hope you have a wonderful day, and God bless.